It's me, Mishan Pandey from grade 4 AP. Do you know Arohi? Our senior brothers and sisters of grade 5 are going to perform a dance now?
Yes, of course I know, Mishan. Our senior brothers and sisters are going to perform dance in the song like Marbuksa, Tamang Selo and Sunuwa dance. So let's welcome them with a big round of applause. Thank you.
सानोमा सानो भन्दामा रोसीमा खोलाले बगायो गएको हिउँदोमा देखेको सानी अहिले पो मलाई झक्यायो हाम्रो त बाजेको पालामा बाजेले भन्थ्यो हेर्थे बिहानी दिउँसोमा बखरामा हेर बेलुकी भैँसीको घोडामा एक परिवारसम्म पुगिन सक्यो अब त यसोमा